morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my students and my viewers. Today is Wednesday, and we are in our episode 14 of 3 in 1. So, today we will begin with our letter F. So, the first word for today is fickle. It is, you are seeing on the screen, it is fickle. Fickle. Alright, this word means saying something or changing, saying something and then changing it frequently. You are changing your feelings or your statement regarding something very quickly and without giving any good reason. Now, this word comes from the Old English word ficol, F-I-C-O-L, which means to deceive. And deceive means धोखा देना किसी को. So, in short, you are changing your statements in such a manner, or you're changing your feelings without giving any good reason in order to deceive someone. किसी को धोखा देने के intent, because obviously a person who is not firm in his or her opinion, उसका कभी कोई भरोसा नहीं कर सकता. Sentences, now this is interesting. Sentences which we can take are, the first one, the mob has such a fickle mind that it can change at any point of time in the future. The public is such fickle-minded people. Second, due to her fickle nature, she finds it hard to make friends. Because she is not stable, she does not have enough friends because nobody trusts her. Simple? Alright, the second word for today is fabricate. It is fabricate. Fabricate. You saw how I am pronouncing? Alright. Now, this word means to invent or construct something which is false. Just like to make up a story in order to deceive someone. Again, a similar meaning. Here you are creating a story, you are trying to build a story which is not true, but you're trying to fool the other person sitting in front of you or on the other side. Now, this word comes from fabrica, Latin fabrica, which means something which is skillfully produced. बहुत सोच से, बहुत ध्यान से और बहुत टैलेंट से जिसको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, and then it translates into English fabric, which is really cloth or material, the cloth material which we have, fabric, and then it translated into fabricate. Now, we all know that whenever a person produces a fabric, a lot of things are added to it, subtracted from it. So you are adding something, then you're taking away something. So in short, तुम कुछ अलग बना रहे हो, तुम कुछ create कर रहे हो. Alright. Similarly, here it means to create something which is not true. Sentences we can take, again a relatable one, which we find it in ample amount in our daily lives around us. Today's media has a tendency to fabricate every bit of news shown to us. So, I don't need to explain this, those who have are intelligent enough to understand. Alright, second example we can take, the talent which he has to fabricate every fact make his story sale worthy. Because he has this talent, he has this skill to fabricate, to make it masala kind of, filled with masala and everything, mirch masala laga ke jisko bola jata hai. You're fabricating it, and then obviously TRP up, views up, everything up, okay, and mental down. Alright, so the third word which we have for today is fallacy. You saw on the screen, it is fallacy. Fallacy. Now, this word means a mistaken belief. Something which one considers to be true, but in reality it is the exact opposite. It is not true, it is false. Alright, now this word also comes from a Latin word which means to deceive someone. Again, धोखा देना किसी को, and then it translates, further on translates into fallacy. sentences which we can take. Now, whatever sentences I'm taking, do not take it personal, because this is something which is very common to every country, every other country. So just let us make a sentence. The government of different countries use the concept of fallacy to deviate their people's attention from critical issues. When you present something which is not true and make it believable in front of the public automatically will shift their attention from unemployment, falling GDP, and everything else which is going worse and worse day by day, and they'll focus on things which are unimportant in their lives. There they are using this concept of fallacy. Second example or sentence we can take: lack of individuality is one of the reasons people fall as a victim of different fallacies. Because people do not have their own opinion, people are fickle, people believe them who fabricate stuff. That's why they are falling as a victim of these fallacies. So you could understand how these three words together or differently, they mean or have a similar meaning, which means to deceive someone, to make someone a fool, to fool someone and make them believe something which is not true. So this is all for today. We'll meet again on Friday, I guess. Till then, please keep watching, share with your friends, enlighten them, educate them. You have the power, use it.